Are you tired of dealing with messy cords and juggling multiple chargers for your devices? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the best multi-device charging stations that simplify your life and keep your gadgets powered up in one sleek, organized solution. From compact designs to high-capacity setups, we'll guide you through the top picks to find the perfect charging station for your home or office. Let's get started. Number 1. A 5-port charger station. MSTJRY makes charging stations for different devices. This is a great option to consider if you want a charging station that works with different devices. This high-quality device comes with 5 cords that you can use with a wide range of other electronic gadgets. These ports can charge models which include the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 12, 13, 13 Pro, XS Max, XS, XR, S8, 8 Plus, SE, 7, 7 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S10, iPads S9, S8, S10 Plus, and several other electronic devices. Since it comes with 2 micro USB ports and 3 iOS cables, you can use it to charge several devices. As it has 5 USB charging ports, you can quickly charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. As it is so broad, it can fit many devices of different thicknesses with little trouble. It is easy to use, and the switch can be turned on and off quickly whenever needed. The removable dividers also make it easy to carry large tablets. Number 2. SUPI CS60422 Quick Charge 3.0. The SUPI CS60422 has both 60-watt 12-amp power and Quick Charge QC 3.0 technology. SUPI's patented Power AI and voltage boost technologies charge almost any USB device as quickly as possible. This adapter can charge compatible smartphones 4 times faster than the standard charging method. It can charge compatible devices up to 80% in just 30 minutes. The best thing about this product is that the cables are already inside the box. It has 8 different cables for charging, including 4 cables that work with both iPhone and iPad, 2 micro USB cables, and 2 Type-C cables. They all work perfectly with your Apple and Android phones, tablets, and other devices. You can use the Nightstand BXGG wireless charging station to charge your devices wirelessly. It is whisper quiet, and the LED on the side makes it easy to find your phone when it's dark. As it is small, light, and easy to carry, it doesn't take up much space and can easily fit in your suitcase. Number 3. Falinta Charging Station. The wireless trio charging station for Samsung devices can quickly charge a phone, watch, and earphones all at once or one at a time. This multi-device charging station used the most up-to-date fast charging technology and was made to accommodate electronic devices that you can charge wirelessly. If you don't use the adapter that comes with the product or another QC 3.0 adapter with 18 watts or more, then it will either charge more slowly or won't have enough power to charge 3 devices at once. The wireless charging stand for Samsung features overcharge protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and foreign object detection function, ensuring charging safety. The indicator light on the wireless charger station indicates the charging status. The green light breathing indicates proper charging. Red light flashing indicates an foreign object is detected. Number 4. Tessellary Charging Station. This 8-in-1 charging station is made of high-quality acrylic and aircraft aluminum alloy on the inside. A 100-watt fast wireless charging station for many devices. A base with 3 USB-A charger connections, QC 3.20 15 watts, and 2 USB-C charging ports, PD 20 watts. And the ability to charge 5 devices at the same time are some of the essential features of this product. 100-watt fast wireless charging station for multiple devices. Our wireless charging station obtained UL, CE, FCC, and certification with overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, and overtemperature protection, as well as foreign object detection function. It can prevent overcharging damage of equipment battery. There is a light bar in front of wireless charging station, which shows green when the phone is charging, and it is red when it cannot be charged. This charging station is composed of aviation aluminum alloy and high-grade acrylic mirror shell with a humanized anti-slip design at the bottom, which can prevent the wireless charging station from moving or flipping it when during use. Number 5. Belkin BOOSTCHARGE PRO 3-in-1. The Belkin BOOSTCHARGE Pro 3-in-1 wireless charging pad with MagSafe could be the best charging station for Apple products. This product comes with a lot of praise. It has been carefully made so it can charge an iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously. This charging pad stands out from its rivals because it works with the newly created fast charging module. This module can charge the Apple Watch Series 7 33% faster. You can charge your watch on its side or on a nightstand. Moreover, there is a knob that you can turn to fit different models and sizes of Apple Watch. It also works with the whole MagSafe system. This allows it to quickly charge any iPhone model that is either 12 or 13. His MagSafe charger is compatible with Apple Fast Charging and can quickly power an iPhone at speeds up to 15 watts, also supporting fast charging for Apple Watch Series 9 and 8. This pad uses MagSafe technology to ensure perfect alignment. With one hand, the embedded magnetic system allows you to easily place your iPhone or Apple Watch on the charging pad without hassle.